guys, welcome to Two Split. Today we're talking about a subject I really love, games. And this isn't just any game, this is a retro game. In front of us is an ode to the Sega Genesis, or the Mega Drive, as known by some people in different parts of the world. This is the Sega Genesis Mini. A lot of companies have been doing minis. You saw the SNES Mini, you saw the Nintendo Mini. So far, I don't think none of them are as good as this one. One, because of the number of games they come with, for starters. And two, they're not perfect replicas, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So let's just get to it and take this out of the box so you can understand what I am talking about. Okay, I think I turned it, I think it was upside down, but what do I know? I don't know what that is. I'm gonna guess that these are these are the classic 3-button, annoying as hell, but we loved it anyway, controllers, excuse me. It just always felt like it was one button short of a decent controller, but they were good, and these are perfect. They're exactly the same. Humongous start button. This is a USB connection, standard. Let me pop that out so you can see it. USB connection. So it comes with 2 of those in the box. Let's put that to one side. What else is in there? Comes with a HDMI, thank God, 2019. It comes with a micro USB. Interesting. Figure out what that's for in a minute. And power brick, which I guess powers the whole console. That's inside. So if we eliminated everything correctly, this should be the Mega Drive Mini. Quite literally mini. Sits out. I'm so giddy. There it is, folks. The classic console that a lot of people skip school for and punch each other in the face. Sorry about that. Punch each other in the face when they miss a power move or argued about what is it Alex, the guy in Streets of Rage? I forget. But basically, my friend Sid, he always said that the guy said something like yatata. And the manual called the move a ground uppercut. So like, how is he saying ground uppercut as yata? I mean, Street Fighter you can get away with, you know. What they write down is what they say. I don't care how much you argue. If you listen closely, let's get back to it. Anyway, the detailing on this is why I think they did this better than the other minis. It has the same volume knob on the machine, on and off switch, the reset button. Of course, in this case, 2 USB ports because, yeah. They're using USB ports to connect. Even has a mold for headphone jack, but there is no headphone jack. But the mold on the original, that's where it was. So it's details like this that I think make this one stand out. What's here? Cartridge expansion slot or something. I don't know. But did I break it? I didn't break it. It even has a slot for cartridges, which clearly doesn't take cartridges. So again, the detailing is what makes the difference on this baby, and it comes, unlike the others, which I'm going to keep saying, this one comes with 42 games. 42 great games, not just 42 random games, but we'll show you more in the full review once we play it out with the guys. So that's it in the box. You get the Mini itself, you get 2 controllers, you get a HDMI cable and a USB micro cable, and you get a power brick to power the whole thing. And that's really it. We'll try the games out, we'll tell you how it goes. We're gonna give this away at the end of the year, so keep watching to find out how you can win one for yourself. It's gonna be fun. The only way to know for sure is make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a short one, but this is gonna be fun. We're probably not gonna sleep in the studio tonight playing this. See you in the next one.